London's Brick Lane is a vibe. Colours, people, foods, fashion. This wicked bowling lane that's right in the middle of it all. If you want a vibrant day out in London with its art and its culture and its diversity, get yourselves down to Brick Lane. You don't need nothing else. Just go and wander, go and explore, go and find the treasure that's there. It's such a fun day out. What do you think?
That's right.
I love them. They're really, really cool, man. Yeah, these. She makes them herself. So cool. Look at this. We can scramble it. I love it.
And only in Brick Lane would you find a half-burnt Christmas tree in January.